Good morning, this is Michelle with PaperStampInk. I'm stopping by real quick before I head off to my day job to share with you guys some exciting news. No, this is an April Fool's joke. Storage by Stampin' Up! It's available now. Look at these cool modular pieces. You can create with these and you can organize them according to your needs. So all of these pieces stack. They come apart. You can get them piece by piece, so it really fits your needs. I just want to show you real quick just some samples of these are all the pieces that you can purchase. You can purchase lids that have a tray or lids that are flat according to what you want to do. I love this one to store the extra ink refills in there. And then, like I said, they all stack. So here's just 3 examples that they've given us, but I'm sure we're going to see all sorts of fun and creative ways to use these. So make sure you check them out. You can shop on my online store. I will be including a link to that down below. And don't forget to use the host code. That's good through the 30th to earn free rewards from me. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Do something creative today and share it with someone you love.